how to remove voices in video audio on the Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, S25 series. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the Gallery app. In here, you can tap on pictures or albums and open a video that you want to edit. So I'm going to go into camera and open up this video file. Okay. I have a message. Okay, so it's got some voices in here. So I'm going to tap on the edit button. Then we're going to tap on this audio icon and then tap on audio eraser. After that, make sure you select voices here. The other one is noise, so that will allow you to remove background noise, but in this video we want to remove voices. So here are the voices in the video. Okay, so we have some voices, so I'm going to choose. I can lower down the voice, so I can lower it down, so like that. Really? This? So I can lower it down all the way to 91%. Dishwasher? Okay, or I can completely tap on mute, and that will completely erase the voices. So let's hear it again. Okay, so you can hear the background noise without the audio, without the voices. Okay, after that, tap on the Apply Edits button, and then tap on Save Copy, and that's it. So that's how you can remove voices from your video audio on the Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, S25. Thank you for watching.